Optparse Python set Boolean. I'm having a ton of trouble getting Optparse to work in Python. It is my first time using it, so any help would be greatly appreciated. I read through all the documentation, but even with their examples, it is not working for me. I am trying to use clean to make a Boolean variable equal to true. This is what I have. I thought this would set runClean to true, but when I do, I get. Any ideas?
You have the return values reversed. Should be. Everything will then work.
It is in args.runClean. BTW, it is better to use argparse rather than optparse.